For the final bit, completing the square, steps. The first thing you want to do is isolate x squared and bx, okay, yes, ax squared and bx with the parentheses. That's step one. Step two would be leave a space inside and outside the parentheses. Outside the parentheses. Step three is going to be fill inside space with b over 2 squared and the last step would be to negate, okay, there's one more step and that's the factor. We're going to negate the inside number with its opposite. So whatever you put inside this parentheses for b over 2 squared, you're going to put the opposite outside. Outside the parentheses. Step 5 is going to be factor. And the factors are always really easy. It always factors to x plus or minus, it could be a plus or a minus, b over 2 with the squared outside. Plus or minus. But it's probably going to be a plus. And then here's one quick example. X squared plus 4x plus 3 equals 0. We're going to isolate. We're going to leave a space. We're going to fill in the space with half of b. 4 over 2 squared makes 4. If I put a plus 4 inside, then step 4 says I need to negate it with a minus 4 outside. Step 5 says to factor, and those factors are always going to be b over 2. So x plus 4 over 2, and 4 over 2 is 2. 4 over 2 equals 2. We're going to square it, subtracting negative 4 and 3. Those two will combine to be negative 1 equals 0, and then you could solve it. Not 1/2. If you square root 1, you're going to get plus or minus 1. So x equals plus or minus 1 minus 2.